If you want to make scrolling credits in CapCut PC, whether it's for the end of a video, a short film, a school project, or even a YouTube outro, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. I'll show you how to add the text, format it properly, apply the scrolling effect, and adjust the speed so it looks smooth and professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure you're in the editing workspace and your timeline is ready. If you already have your video finished, this is the perfect time to add the credits at the end. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Text. This is where all of CapCut's text tools are located, and it's the starting point for creating your scrolling credits. After clicking Text, choose Add Text. A text box will appear in your preview window, and now you can start typing your credits. This is where you want to make sure your text is organized clearly. Put each name, role, or credit line on a new line so it's easier to read once it starts scrolling. For example, you could separate lines like director, editor, music, cast, or any other credit information you want to include. Keeping it spaced properly will make the final result look much cleaner and more professional. Now that your credits are typed in, the next step is positioning. Before you add the animation, move the text box below the bottom of the preview window. This part is important because it helps create the effect of the credits starting off screen and scrolling upward naturally. If the text begins in the middle of the screen, it won't look like traditional end credits, so drag it down until it sits below the visible frame, ready to move upward. Once the text is in place, select the text clip on your timeline. This tells CapCut that you want to edit the animation for that specific text layer. With the clip selected, go to Animation and then choose Loop. CapCut has different animation options depending on the version you're using, so you may see something labeled credits or scroll up. Select the one that best matches your version. Both options are designed to create that classic upward scrolling credits effect. After choosing the animation, the next thing you want to do is adjust the animation duration. This controls how fast or slow the credits move. If the credits are scrolling too quickly, make the duration longer so people have more time to read them. If they're moving too slowly, shorten the duration a little. This is one of the most important parts of the process because pacing makes a huge difference in how polished the final result looks. Now preview the credits to make sure everything is moving smoothly from bottom to top. Watch the text carefully and check whether the lines are readable and whether the speed feels right for your video. If anything feels off, go back and fine-tune the text position or animation duration until it looks just right. A good credits roll should feel clean, steady, and easy to follow. If you want, you can also enhance the look by matching the font style to your project, changing the text size, or adjusting the spacing between lines so the credits have a more cinematic feel. Even small design tweaks can make a big difference in the final presentation. The key is to keep it simple, readable, and smooth, and that's how to make scrolling credits in CapCut PC. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and it's a great way to finish a video with a professional touch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.